This is a 2007 Suzuki SX4. Its top features include skid plates, a low tire pressure indicator, and much more. The following features are also included: a split folding rear seat, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, roof rails, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, a rear window wiper, and this vehicle has fewer than 69,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This Suzuki has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.